My name is Greg and I'm the sword casting guy. I travel around the country doing sword casting classes. I teach a Bronze Age class that people can come and make swords with me. And I do this with people of all ages, from 7 on up, and I have people do this with me all over the country. So today I'm in Albuquerque, New Mexico at Pascetti Steel, and this is the second time that I've been here. Damien has been fantastic at hosting classes with me, and it's really the perfect spot for me. I look forward to coming back here all the time because he has such a fantastic setup. This is a second generation steel fabrication business, and it's just fantastic. I just love working here and coming to see all the great projects that he has going on. The process we use in my class is sand casting. So everyone chooses a different type of sword that they want to use. After I tell them the history of some of the different swords, they choose one, and then I talk about how to make a sand cast, and we demonstrate that in class, and everyone does it themselves. So it's very hands-on. That's one thing that people really like about it. This is a bronze sword that I made in one of my bronze classes. This is an Egyptian khopesh, and this is one of my most popular swords. I'd say in today's class, this is probably the most common one that people made. King Tut was buried with 2 swords that look a lot like this. This pattern goes back to about 1400 BC. So it's a very old pattern, and it's a really interesting sword. This one is a sword that if you picture people fighting with a sword and a shield, they'd have a shield in one hand, sword in the other. This hook is to go over the top of an enemy's shield and to pull up their shield, and then go underneath it and get at them that way. And this is a hook to go underneath their shield and pull up and get a shot at them that way. So really an interesting sword. So when people come to my class, they get to learn a lot about science of metallurgy. They also learn a lot about the history of it, and we talk about historical peoples and things. It's a wide-ranging class, but it's been very popular, and I'm super excited to teach this class here at Pascetti Steel.